Welcome to the Workface. Is your home laptop slow? Do you need to give it a shot in the arm, a kick up the backside, a motivational talk? If so, you want to be watching this. I couldn't have said it better myself. Welcome to Steve Dogg's Computer Workshop. Remember folks, like and subscribe. It's really important to me and it'll be great fun for you. Okay, I've got a laptop here. It's called a Livono. Okay, and it's sluggish. We've had it for a few years. It's got a Intel Core i3 processor, but it's only got 4 gigs of RAM. What's RAM? Random access memory to you, random access memory to me. Right. What I've done is I've gone on internet and I've used a firm called Crucial and put in the details of my computer, and then I've gone on the internet and I've bought some RAM. There is said RAM. Okay. Now I've got to install that into my laptop. Let's get to the Workface, install this and see if it delivers improved performance on my laptop. Now, I've managed to hang you up there at a crazy angle on a vase that I had, so you can get a bird's eye view of what we're doing. So what we've got to do first of all is flip this puppy over, and here we'll find this is called a plate nodule. Okay, so what we need to do first of all is, using a screwdriver, unscrew that puppy there. Make sure this is unplugged, make sure it's not switched on, don't want you get an electrical shock, etc. Okay, all right, so this is what we're going to do. So quickly unscrew that one, don't lose the screw. I've got to pop this bad man off, so I'm going to just literally get in there with a screwdriver and take that out. And then here you'll find a thingy, all right, a thingy. And I'm hoping that this thingy goes in this thingy, okay? So first of all, you've got to take this thingy out of this thingy. So I'm going to do that first of all. I hope you're keeping up with my technical jargon here, folks. So out it comes. Now, like I say, I've checked on the internet, and this is the exact gubbins for this unit. So now it is simply a case of sliding. Let's get rid of that little, there's a little sticker there. See that little sticker? That little sticker is getting technical here, in the way. Okay, so I'm going to just tuck that down there so that the little sticker is no longer in the way, and then we're going to push that gubbins there in to that nodule there, and then hopefully it looks like it fits. It just pops in like that. Yeah, I was as surprised as you were to see that go in there perfectly. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put this computer back together and we're going to switch it on and see if it works, and that would be good if it did. So first of all, push that down. This one does actually just clip in like that. Get the old screw that we took out earlier. Remember folks, if you haven't got the technical skills to do this, you can always call in an expert, and but a lot of these things you can do yourself. So for example, I can show you how to change bike chains, for example. Click below on that link and you'll be able to see how easy and how much fun it is to change a bike chain. That's a little bit different to computer gubbins. Right, now it's time to crank this baby up, as they say. Now this laptop was previously slower than Dave Slow McSlow, who was on the slow boat to Slowmington. Okay, Let's see if this is any faster now. We're going to turn you around. You're going to watch this screen boot up. I might, if it takes too long, I'll freeze it, pause it, you know, and then we'll get there anyway. Right, I'm now going to press the on button.
And see what happens with this. As I said, it had 4 gigs of RAM, and we've added 8 gigs of RAM to it, so now you've got 4 plus 8 gigs of RAM. I'll let you do that. This is in real time. As you can see, the lightning speed technology is quite something. It's any faster than we don't know if you're on France at the moment. Don't think it's any faster, to be honest, let's see what happens.
Here we are, folks, with the laptop up and running, and you'll see over here, look, RAM 11.9 gig. So we did have 4 gig. We've now got just shy of 12 gig, which is what we'd expect. So it appears to be running all tickety boo. That's it, really. Is it quicker? I don't know. It's all working fine. It's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm going to shut it down, do a restart, and we'll have another look. So, 2 questions. 1, has it worked? Yes. 2, is it quicker? Maybe. It doesn't seem to be quick on the initial boot, but when you get past the login bit at the start, it might be nominally quicker. Don't know. It cost about 37 quid for that upgrade. I've got more RAM on the computer. It should help it out a little bit. It should extend the longevity of it. We shall see. So there you go, folks. Successful loading of a Crucial by Micron 8 gig of RAM into Lenovo IdeaPad 510. Catch you guys on the computing flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.